This video is going to have 2 dates and my second attempt at flying the drone around Manila, but this time stick around to the end to see how it goes.
So for those of you keeping up, you know the other night I flew my drone and I can crash it into a building. Well, this is the broken wing, but I have replacements and a little tiny screwdriver. So we'll fix this thing up and we'll get some drone shots today. So I'm pretty sure someone's been living in there for the past 4 days. It's one of these, but it's all covered up.
Alright, fast forward to date night, because I didn't do a whole lot that day. Just, food, a workout, some phone calls, and then it's date time with this lovely lady. I also met her in the United States on Bumble. So this is Mira. She turned out to be a super sweetheart, and we have stayed friends now for a couple of years. You'll see her in some of my later videos on my next trip out there. But how about these jellyfish? This place was awesome. I think it's called I.M. It's a skytop bar and hotel. As you can clearly see, we're both kind of obsessed with these jellyfish in this tank. So we just kind of did some photo shoots around the place. It was a really cool spot. You definitely got to check it out. I.M. There it is, right there. What a great night we had. She definitely beat my butt in pool a couple of times, but it was well worth it. Good night.
Good after morning, folks. I don't know if you can see back there, but there's a whole awesome little group of kids. When I walked by, they all gave me fist bumps. It inspired me to make this little video quick, give you all an update of what's been going on. It's stressful, but actually, the guy that broke my leg has postponed his court date now 3 times, which is illegal to do a 4th time. But somehow he got away with that, probably because he's in the Navy. But now my friends have been subpoenaed to court on a Zoom meeting, and so have I, while I'm here on vacation, and it's opposite time of me. We're 13 hours difference, so what a pain in this. So I'm gonna get a hold of a new lawyer, because in the way Florida works, their defense attorney that they gave me is bullshit. So I need to stay up tonight and get a hold of a lawyer in the States. We have a 13-hour time difference here, so I don't have to deal with it while I'm on vacation. A huge part of the reason I took this vacation and took this time out of the country is because I spent most of my year miserable in bed with a broken leg, and then dealing with suing the city of Oneana for flooding my house while I was in Mexico last year, and just countless other stressful things. And 2022 was not my year. So now I have to deal with that. Last night was freaking awesome though. I went out with a girl. She took me to a cool rooftop bar and a karaoke bar, and we played some pool. It was a good time. Stayed up a little too late, so I got up early, but then I went back to sleep, so I lost a chunk of my day. But I'm just heading to an ATM now, and then breakfast, and then I'm finally gonna get some drone shots after my last fail of crashing the drone. I want to try to get some right at sunset. It's finally not raining today, so that's the plan right now. That's the update. I'm sure there's more, but I hope everybody out there is having an amazing time. As I'm getting all these viewers, I'd really appreciate it if you guys popped over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna add it to my Instagram link today. Right now there's not a lot of stuff from my trip there, but I met a guy who works for YouTube here. My best connection yet. I'm super excited to have further conversation with this guy. His channel is amazing. He's got good content. He seems to know what the hell he's talking about and what he's doing. He's a fit guy, goes to the gym, so it was a good meeting finding this guy. So that's what's going on. I'm really excited about that. So guys, even though it's all my old stuff, Cosmic Greg Lee on YouTube and Cosmic Travels, those are the 2 links that I'd really appreciate you to follow. Give a like. Watch the videos to the end, because that's the most important thing for YouTube, is watch till the end. Even if you don't watch it, just let it play to the end. Thank you. Guys, here you can see some local street food. These are little tiny eggs that are, I think, quail eggs fried up, and they're delicious. They're only 3 or 4 for 50 cents. So I'm gonna grab a couple of them before I go to my actual breakfast, just to fill up on this. out here flying the drone, getting some shots of these amazing buildings in this awesome city. It got a little far away, so I'm just doing the return to home feature, which it'll automatically fly back to me. I don't have to fly it back. I got really far away, and once you can't see it, it's kind of hard. But I think it found me, and now I'm gonna start lowering back down.
If you guys are interested, you can find the full video here that I did out on YouTube on my channel. Just look for drone flight over Manila. Got some really sweet shots here. I'm pretty proud of them, so go ahead and check that out. And then here is the thumbs up because I made it back home, no crashing.
Success! I just had an awesome drone flight around Makati City, Manila. I got to film these amazing glowing buildings over here. It's only like a holiday thing apparently. I've seen it in other YouTube videos, so I thought it was all the time. But according to the locals I asked, it's only a holiday thing, so I wanted to make sure I got that before they stopped doing it. The flight was a success. I got a little worried for a half a second. I got around to the other side of the buildings and my remote lost connection. It's supposed to go like 5 miles and I'm not 5 miles from there, but when it's behind a giant building that thick, I could understand why it wouldn't work. I got nervous. I started walking away from my stuff and then I was like, oh, I can't just leave my stuff on the bench. So I walked and watched and everything was a success. I can't wait to share that footage with you guys. Most of that will probably be on YouTube. It's hard to transfer here. So like and subscribe, guys.
Incoming freak out. Sorry, I have to mute this, but Thailand changed their policy and that's where I'm supposed to go next.
Thailand just reinstated that you have to have the COVID shot. Now I have hotels booked there. I have flights there, already paid for. I'm not getting the shot. I'm not doing it. It doesn't work. It's just poison. I don't know what I'm supposed to do about this now. I'm gonna have to change my entire itinerary for this trip. I'm supposed to spend a month in Thailand, and my buddy Nick is meeting me there in a week. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a shot either. So, and he didn't buy his car ticket with a travel credit card. I might have some kind of leeway because I have a travel credit card, but I'm super pissed right now. I'm already dealing with a bunch of stuff today. I'll put this in my story out of order, but like, I'm already dealing with stress from my shop in New York, stress with my broken leg lawyer situation. I need a new lawyer because I'm getting subpoenaed back to court. This is all up. Now my whole Saturday night is going to be ruined to using the phone all night. 599 pesos, all you can eat. That's like $5.99. They keep bringing more out. This is amazing. I have to say, I really enjoy when I don't even know what half of the stuff is in a menu. When it all tastes so good that you don't even question it. I just make a little mixed plate. Oh, like, oh my God. This much delicious food for this price, you can't touch this in America. No way. Amazing. Holy, I can't win. Like, so many little tiny problems on this trip, and now this one's huge. I literally spent the last 4 hours on the phone. I can't get refunds on any of my flights. I can't switch my flights. I have a friend coming to Thailand, and he's not going to be able to come because he's not vaccinated. I'm basically gonna lose like $500 or $600 of flights because I can't go to Thailand. I have to get there in the next 20 hours. I could buy a brand new ticket and forget about my other 2 tickets, I suppose, but then I lose like almost $600, and I have to buy the new ticket. I'm stupid. I'm like banging my head against the wall, and none of these people can help. So frustrated. Well, I guess it's official. I'm gonna have to make the best of it. I'm still in Asia. The Philippines has a lot of beautiful places to offer me. I'm gonna lose a bunch of money because I can't take my flight to Thailand. I'm not sure what my friend is gonna do. Damn it, I have all kinds of things booked there and so many fun things to do. All right, well, I guess I'm traveling the Philippines. maybe we'll go to Indonesia. Maybe I'll hit up my friend in Australia. It's not that far from here. It wasn't on my list, but like, why not go to Australia? My air conditioner is freezing, which is great. But god damn it, I'm frustrated on this my last string of hope as far as financial stuff is concerned. Which this also sucks, because if Nick doesn't come, then I don't have all my money that he was going to bring me in Thailand to meet me. But my last ditch hope is maybe that my travel credit card will help me out with this loss of money. I meant to get traveler's insurance, like regular travel's insurance, before I left the United States, just because of this kind of shit, but everything was in last minute, and of course I dropped the ball. It's my own fault. Nobody's to blame. So I gotta suck this up, maintain a positive attitude. Thank you for bearing with me with all my frustrations. It is what it is. I can't go to Thailand. Sucks a lot, but that's what it is. So I finally made it inside of these giant yellow buildings that I've been taking pictures of everywhere. Looking cool. Well, guys, after all that complaining and whatnot, you'll have to stick around to find out if I actually make it to Thailand. But the rest of the night, Rona and I just went on another date. I'm being silly here because I saw some other girls doing it, and then back to the hotel. It was a great night around Manila.